An old ship left to decay over time. Rust has taken over the surface. Algae and dirt build up over time. The paint begins to peel away. Marine deposits have hardened over time. The waterline shows the most damage. Years of exposure have worn down the surface. Even the anchor is covered in heavy grime. The entire ship is in poor condition. Powerful water jets begin the cleaning process. Algae is stripped away from the surface. Rust layers are now exposed. Deep cleaning removes years of buildup. The difference becomes clearly visible. Cleaning continues across the surface. The difference becomes clearly visible. Hard deposits are removed with force. Debris is washed away completely. The initial cleaning phase combated fate purports. The surface is ready for restoration.
Grinding machines remove rust layers.
Rust is completely removed. Dust is cleared for the next stage. The surface becomes smooth again. Deep grinding restores the ship's surface. The ship's surface is leveled for uniformity. Polishing enhances the ship's metal finish. All residue is cleared from the ship. The ship is scanned for perfect preparation. The ship is cleaned one last time. Machines align to coat the ship evenly. Primer is applied across the ship. The ship is now fully primed. The base layer is fully applied. Every edge is carefully coated. The surface develops a glossy shine. Fresh paint transforms the surface. Layers build a strong, lasting finish. Layers build a strong, lasting finish. Polishing enhances the final shine. The ship is completely restored. From rusted to restored. From old to new. Subscribe for more.